Y'all, it's going down. I'm about to go ahead and eat these shoes up. Y'all do not want to miss how it's gonna look. Come vibe with me. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Nuckie Miami, and I'm back in the building. Yeah, so I got another DIY for you guys. You see these shoes right here? I'm gonna go ahead and deck them out. I'm gonna put some pretty pink cancer ribbons fabric on these shoes to make them all come together. It's October 2023, and I'm dedicating these shoes to all the cancer survivors, the people who passed away with cancer, like my auntie, my grandma, my granddaddy. Yes, oh my God. So shout out to everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is, but pink is for everybody, and we're gonna go ahead and make these work. Now, this is some shoes that my daughter had already through the summertime. As you can see, they kind of like but instead of throwing them away, I decided to go ahead and deck them out because we're going to a cancer event thing, and I want to go ahead and be like, you know me, I'm original. So if you know me by now, I like to be different, I like to stand out, and I also like do fashion with my daughter. I make a lot of her clothes, and I wanted to like do these shoes and do them real cute. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys my first attempt of how I do my Mod Pod on my shoe using the fabric and whatnot. I saw it on TikTok, and I also been seeing it a long time ago, but I never came across like doing it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. I'm so excited. I hope they come out real cute and whatever. Anyway, I didn't wash them because I feel like, okay, I'm gonna cover them up with fabric and I'm gonna paint them. So you see me, I'm just recording for my TikTok, y'all. Excuse me. It's my first time actually doing it, so like I said, I'm not doing the whole stuff like everybody else doing it. Maybe I'm doing my own way, I don't know. But if I am, y'all be sure to comment down below what y'all think I should do and tips and whatnot. Because like I said, I'm not a shoe painter. You know, I'm not into painting shoes. That's not my forte. I like to sew. I like to design. I like to do things in that nature far as designing. But yeah, and be real with y'all, I'm gonna try my best to make these shoes come together. I'm gonna try to like step on these shoes. I'm gonna eat these shoes up real good. Cause like I say, only gonna be worn one time to the event, and after that, we're gonna go ahead and donate it, throw them away. Yeah. And now I'm gonna go ahead next and try to cut these painter's tape the right way. I don't have a scalpel on me, y'all, and I don't have no box cutter, so I'm using an eyebrow razor thing. It's called Twinkle, and it's working really good to me. Like, I ain't gonna even hold you, and I'm just gonna go ahead, you know how you do, just cut the tape off the same size and the same pattern as what you want to go ahead and cut off when you do your fabric, and just like so, y'all.
That I should start by saying, oh, yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh, yeah. I would love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand for me. Understand y'all make the dance like this, y'all make the bounce like this. Just let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Oh, listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip when you sliding. Bip, baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it.
Here go the fabric I was telling you about. It is so beautiful, y'all. And I'm gonna take my tape and put it on top of my fabric and start to cut the same stencil out. As you guys can see, bam, got my MODGE POD. I'm using regular MODGE POD, the matte kind, and nothing special about it. It's not the fabric shoe kind, like, you know what I'm saying, you can go ahead and get. But whatever you got, I'm quite sure it will work as fine. And I went ahead and put the MODGE POD on top of the shoe first, as you guys saw, and then take my fabric and put my fabric right on top of the MODGE POD. Line it up the exact way as you cut it out before. Nothing different. Just go ahead and make sure it works for you. Be very neat about it, because it will show up, and once you like lay your other MODGE POD on top of this, it will not come off. So make sure everything is right the first trip. This is how it looks so far, y'all. I think it's so cute. But let me tell y'all, right? So yeah, this side is cute, right? And like I said, it's my first time actually doing these shoes. I told y'all that 1,000 times already. And I didn't know how to go about far as like putting holes through the fabric for the shoestring. So I didn't know how to do it right. Yeah, I tried to like TikTok it, YouTube it, but nothing was helping me out. And I'm like, okay, Ben. So everybody, what they do is they don't like do fabric where the holes at. They just take it and they cut it like that, y'all. So that's why I'm cutting it. And I didn't know that before. So yeah, you live and you learn, right? I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess fabric off. That way the shoestring can go through the hole just like so. As you guys see me doing it, I was kind of like tight, because like I like how it look with the whole thing covering up, but I ain't gonna force nothing, because I don't like doing that, and I ain't gonna mess these shoes up. So I just went ahead and let me just cut these off, and that's how it look after I went ahead and cut it. The next step, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and seal the fabric to the shoes. The same MODGE POD, y'all, nothing changed. And yeah, I'm going to take the MODGE POD and cover the fabric up on top of the shoe. This is called a seal, because if you don't do this, the fabric will not stay. The fabric will come off. So basically, just to keep the fabric intact, to keep it there, to keep it protected from water, snow, dirt, whatever. Just like so, you're going to go ahead and paint, and let it dry. Please let it dry before you try to put another coat on it, because you don't want it to be looking a mess. Now, I want to be different, right? So I got my pink ANGELUS paint that I had for a year. Backstory about this, I got it from Amazon over a year ago. I had one like start painting shoes, but you know how it is. You get like try to get into a hobby, but it don't work, and that's why the paint look kind of like guppy and thick, because I had it in my paint collection, but I never used it like that. So you know I gotta go ahead and shake it up and whatever. But this paint cost too much money for me to throw away. So we gonna go ahead and make it work today on these shoes. Alright. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and painting the part where the shoestring gonna go at, because I wanted to stand out. I wanted to pop. Maybe it may not look right, but guess what? It gonna go today. It gonna learn today. And yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it up. And hopefully, like, you know, it still be cute. It still be whatever. Because I can't wait to get these shoes done. Like, I can't wait to wear them. Well, not me wear them. I wish I could wear them. My daughter wear them. I'm going to take some pictures with them. You already know how I get down. And making sure the paint is not in the holes, because, like, you don't want that cover up. So the second part, I'm going to take some fabric and I'm going to go ahead and cut it up, like cut out, like, you know, some patterns, whatever, of the ribbons and things and whatnot, to make also it stand out. We're going to go ahead, and after that, I'm going to take the MODGE POD again. Same thing, y'all, like I did before. Take the MODGE POD, put it on my shoe, just like that. And then put the fabric that I cut out on top of the tongue part right here. I want it on my tongue part. Even though I'm going to wear shoestrings with these, I still want it to be like, I don't want it to be too plain. So yeah, same thing, y'all. Bam, put it on there. And I did put MODGE POD on this part to the ribbon. I just didn't show you guys that part yet. After that, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and paint the toe part of the shoe pink, just like so, and do what I do, y'all.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Something naive to believe that in me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when I lose one. It took me some time, but
This how the shoe look right now. I'm not done yet with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides and put the shoe screens in there. But so far so good. I like how it look. You made it to this part of the video, that means you liking it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. Okay. Now, alright, so stay tuned, y'all, to see how it ends and how it's gonna be snapped together.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it is worth? If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you there, take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up.